As you can tell, I am second to the right in this picture in the audience, and during Neil deGrasse Tyson's entire lecture, I was studiously taking 12 pages of notes. After talking about Pluto, he talked about the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, and he showed this picture saying, quote, "Artists love drawing bad days on Earth." And he said that the smartest people in any of his lectures usually sit in the front row. And he said someone in the front row once asked him, "Dr. Tyson, is that an actual photograph?" And he responded, "Yes, the pterodactyl had a digital camera and we dug up the chip." And then he talked about something we all remember from Februari, when an asteroid 15 meters across, moving at 40,000 miles per hour, exploded over Russia. He said the explosion happens when the kinetic energy converts to thermal energy, and then it heats up until it eventually converts back to kinetic energy in the form of an explosion. He said the explosion had 25 times the power of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima, but it wasn't felt as such because it exploded 20 miles up. 1,000 people were injured, and he said those people are the ones who forgot that light and sound move at two different speeds. So they see the flash, they run to the windows to look and figure out what it was. Shockwave comes and hits and shatters the windows. Then he moved on to Apophis, this asteroid that is going to come so close to Earth on April 13th, 2029, that it will dip below some of our communication satellites. It will intersect the Earth's orbit again in 2036, also on April 13th, and may hit Earth. He said Apophis is the Egyptian god of darkness and evil, and we save those names for asteroids that cross Earth's orbit. He said if it hits Earth, it will probably hit in the Pacific Ocean and wipe out the western coast of the U.S. about a quarter mile in from a 17.2 meter tsunami, which will be created after it explodes 3 miles underwater. So he says it will be a series of about 40 tsunamis, each one slightly less powerful than the last. And it would only go in about a quarter mile, so you could set up a velvet rope and have people watch millionaires' homes be taken out and brought back in a slightly different shape. He said, ideally, only 2 people would die. The first dead person would be the stupid surfer that decides that it would be fun to surf the wave, and the second dead person would be the crazy weatherman out there reporting it. So he provides some interesting insight here on why we need to protect ourselves against asteroid impact. And it was really interesting. I have another 9 pages of notes, and I will continue to upload videos until I get through them, as well as doing chemistry videos as well. Thank you.